Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to approach getting Taco Zizzy. It is important to know that Taco Zizzy is not an official character or skin directly available in the game. This term usually comes from creative fan content or community-made concepts. However, there are several official Zizzy skins you can acquire through various in-game challenges and events, offering many ways to expand your collection. To get official Zizzy skins, you typically need to complete certain chapters or achieve specific game endings. For example, some versions of Zizzy might require you to find a rusty sword and use it on a sentinel in a particular map. Other skins are unlocked by solving puzzles or collecting 3 hidden scraps of paper during limited-time events. One way to get a secret Zizzy skin is by playing the distraction chapter in Piggy Book 2. You must find the rusty sword, which is often located upstairs. Once you have the sword, use it to hit a sentinel character. Successfully doing this will unlock a unique Zizzy skin for your collection, complete with a hood and a metal pipe. While Taco Zizzy isn't official, you can get creative. Many players use the game's build mode to design custom maps, like a Tigre's Tacos restaurant. In roleplay servers, you might customize your character's appearance with available accessories to create a taco-inspired Zizzy. This lets you bring your unique vision to life within the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.